In today's game, dominoes meet dice. So once you've played a regular round of dominoes, or you could always just set up the board as if you had, we're going to reverse engineer the domino game. So we're going to take off all the ends and try and get back to the starting point. The way that we get to remove those tiles is that each person has 2 dice. We're going to roll them until we get something that matches. So in this case it has a 2 and a 3, so the first person to roll a 2 and a 3 gets that tile. Whoever has the most tiles at the very end is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, so we are going to just use some paper towels to muffle the noise of the dice a little bit for you. And on your mark, get set, go! Oh, 3 and 5!
Yes!
Oh, nice job! Oh, got it! Ooh, good thing I took an extra second to look at that one. I almost missed it. Ooh, I got another one. 5 to 2. Ooh.
2, 5 and 6.
I just barely got it. You got it in the nick of time. So 1 and 6 is our only playable piece right now. 1 and 5.
1 and 6.
Oh, let's see if I remember my next one. Nope. All right, so double 6s is what we're going for.
I got double 6s.
Yeah, I had them earlier too. Now we just need to get them again.
No.
Double 6s!
Yes!
Woohoo! So 4, 5, 6 to
3.
5. Ooh, so we're close. Let's see who can pull it out. Double 4s is the last one. 4 and 6, 2 and 4. I just need a 4 and 4. Come on!
20.
2 and 4. Ah!
We're gonna say
This last one is totally
4 and 5.
It's been so bad. So long. Ooh, trying for a different approach. 4 and 4! Woo!
How many do you have? 6? I have
7.
Woo! We're tied.
We're tied.
We're
tie game. Alright, so it is a tie game. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up
down below.
If you want to check out more Dice Game, I'll put some down here and also in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!